hamburger helper, so now we head out. Those are only $3 and I do actually need some, so I'm gonna grab one. On sale already. Also, I forgot to mention, I grabbed a box of these just because they're always cheaper in Target because they come in a box instead of individually. And Kennedy loves that flavor. And that is it for our little Target shop of the week. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. So you want to run some errands with me and my little Valentine? Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Kennedy and I are currently at the bakery. We have to get some stuff for dinner tonight, so let's run in quick and I'll show you what we got. Okay, so I didn't record it there, but I got 3 pounds of pizza dough and then a loaf of Sicilian bread. Yes, honey. Tonight we're going to be making pizza. It's Valentine's Day, so I wanted to make something special for Carl for dinner. So yeah, next stop, we got to run to Target because Carl needs some soap. Yes, honey. And what was the other thing that we needed? What was the other thing we needed, honey? What was the other thing I needed? Muffin mix? Soap? What else did I need? Good thing I made a list. I just checked. Face wash. So let's go to Target. Just got to Target and I spilled coffee on myself. Someone is in her Valentine's Day pajamas. Yeah. Face wash. This looks different, but I think it's the same. Also, this was my favorite face wash, but they recently redid it. So this is like the new version of it. I think I like the old version better. I don't know why we have to change a good thing. You know what I mean? We go through a lot of hand soap, so I'm gonna grab one of these. Need more of these. Ooh, these are cool, but I do not need them. Oh, these are really good containers, but they're kind of expensive. I love Tupperware, but I think I'm gonna wait till they go on sale. Oh, Dad. I need more of this for the kitchen sink. Okay, I actually do need to find some new plates for Kennedy because we only have one right now and it doesn't really stick to her tray, so let's see what they have. Uh-oh, the pouch queen saw the pouches. There's this, but this doesn't have the little thing on the bottom. This one has the little suction thing, but I don't know how I feel about a wooden plate. What are these? A little bit more than I was planning to spend on a plate, and it's only one, but I guess we're gonna try it. I was really craving Velveeta last night. Also got some puffs for the Puff Queen. They're all sold out of the muffin mix that I wanted, and they don't have any hamburger helper, so now we head out. Those are only $3, and I do actually need some, so I'm gonna grab one. On sale already. Also, I forgot to mention, I grabbed a box of these just because they're always cheaper in Target because they come in a box instead of individually. And Kennedy loves that flavor. And that is it for our little Target shop of the week. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.